Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are working with the iconic Florida oyster. I'm super excited about this dish today. A classic dish. We're making Oysters Rockefeller. We've got some phenomenal oysters right here from the panhandle of Florida. They're farm raised and they are delicious. They are also available year round. But let's go ahead and get started. I've got a couple Florida peppers here. First thing we want to do is dice up a couple little red peppers here. These are Florida red bell peppers. And I like to add Florida peppers to my Rockefeller for two reasons. Gives it just a little bit of crunch, and it also adds a little bit of color, but you can certainly leave out the sweet peppers if you like for a more traditional style Rockefeller recipe. We're also gonna dice up a little onion. This is gonna be the base of flavor for our dish. These are starting to look good. I'm also gonna readjust my seasoning on here using some of my Florida seafood seasoning, and some of my fresh herbs that I cut earlier are all going in. Okay, to this, we can go ahead and add our spinach. You can use baby spinach. And we just wanna cook this real lightly. We don't wanna cook it a ton, we just kinda wanna wilt it. So now I'm gonna remove the spinach mixture from my saute pan, because this is gonna have to go into the refrigerator. We want this to cool down before we can add the rest of our ingredients and stuff our oysters. I'm gonna take my crispy bacon that I cooked earlier, and we're gonna cut this down so we can add it to our spinach mix. We're also gonna add some Parmesan cheese and a little panko breadcrumbs, and all that's gonna come together to make our filling. I'm gonna stir this up nicely, and you can certainly just do this in a sheet pan. My oven is preheated to about 400 degrees. It is ready to go for these stuffed oysters. All right, our oysters are stuffed with our Rockefeller stuffing. It's time to get them in the hot oven. So now that our oysters are looking good, they can come out of the oven, and let me tell you, they are smelling delicious. The whole kitchen smells good because of these Rockefeller oysters. What a great recipe. I can't wait to try this. Remember, this recipe is on freshfromflorida.com. We have also plenty of other great oyster recipes, so make sure you check that out. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and keep cooking.